There were 4 questions. Did you submit all 4?
The last question, no sir. I didn't
Why?
have
Why
time.
not last question? What was different in the last question?
There is no different, sir. I didn't have time, sir.
Okay. X square plus 7x plus 12, x plus 4.
I can't see your video, sir.
It is your problem. Solve it.
Sir, I cannot see it either.
You also reload if you cannot see. Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
So now I can see.
Yes, sir. I also can see.
So if you sometime cannot see the video, don't tell me, I cannot see your video, sir. It is not the problem of sir. It is the problem of you.
Okay,
You
sir.
cannot see it, reload quickly. Was this question in the homework? Was this question from the homework?
One second, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir. It's from homework.
What is the degree of remainder? What is
1,
the
sir.
degree? And what is the degree of divisor?
1, sir.
They are equal. So why did you stop the division? Why did you stop division? Why did you send it incomplete work?
I'll complete now, sir.
Or did you complete this homework? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
This is not correct. What is the problem, Anurag? You did not do the last two. The third one you did wrong, David, and you did not try the last one.
I am saying, sir, I am doing that.
So this was the third question. X power 4 plus x square plus 1. It should be divided by x square plus x plus 1. Do you think it is written in a standard form?
No, sir.
So before we start division, we have to rewrite this in a standard form, because see, power 4 is there, the maximum power 4. After that it should have been power 3, but it is not available. Power degree 3 term is not available. Fourth degree term is the first one. After that it should have been third degree term, that is absent. Then second degree term is present, and again linear degree term, I mean degree 1 term, is absent. So you have to first rewrite this as standard form. Let us write standard form. This is x power 4 already written. Then it should be 0x cubed. Then write plus x squared. After that it should be 0x, and then it should be plus 1. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And divisor is already a standard form. Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. It's already a standard. Now you start division. This is our dividend, as I suggested earlier. First term divided by first term. X power 4 divided by x square. X power 4 divided by x square is x square, right? Where will this x square go?
Sir,
Quotient.
In the quotient. Now what? X square should be multiplied with the divisor. So x square into x square is x power 4. X square into x is x cube. It should be here. X cube. Coefficient is 1. Now x square into 1 is x square. It should be here. Did you understand what will be the problem if you don't write it in a standard form? What will be
Yes,
the
sir.
problem if you don't write it in a standard form? Problem will be, where will you write x cube? Below what? Because in the dividend you don't have cube term. Third degree term is not available in that. But here you are getting x cube term. Where will you write it? That's it. That's the reason we need to write 0x cube here, so that we can write cubic terms, third degree terms, in a vertical arrangement. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Don't say yes sir falsely. You understand properly what I said, then only say yes sir. Most of the time you say yes sir senselessly, falsely. Don't make false words. If you think you didn't understand what was explained, ask me. Now we have to change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. First term cancels every time. Here also it is cancelling. Next is 0x cube minus 1x cube. What is that?
Sir,
What is
minus
that?
x cube.
minus x cube, it is 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1 only, 0 minus 1. So it's minus x cubed, and then 1x square minus x square. What is that?
Yes.
It will cut.
It will cancel. Why senselessly you said yes, David? You are senselessly making words. You are not using your brain before you open your mouth. Instead saying yes, you had to say what will happen here. It was not a yes no question, you said yes. I did not ask any yes no question. I asked what will happen, you said yes. What is the answer? This is nonsense answer. If someone asks you your name, someone tells what is your name, you will say yes sir. If someone tells you which school you study in, you will say no sir. Why making this nonsense answers? Be senseful, use your brain before you say something. I said what will happen to these two? You said yes sir. Since they cancel and we don't have a square term, so we will write here 0x square, because we need it in the next step. We need x square term in the next step. Then we write 0x, then we write 1. So this is the new dividend. New dividend. And as previous, we will do again the same thing. First term divided by first term. Minus x cube divided by x square. What is that?
Sir, X.
X.
Minus x. Be attentive. Minus sign is also there. It's not x. It's minus x. Now, minus x will be multiplied with all three. So what is minus x into x square?
Sir, X cube.
Minus X.
Minus x cube. You are not attentive, I see. You are not in the class by brain. And if you are not attentive, you will be thrown out of the class. Be attentive. Minus x into x square is minus x cube. Then minus x into x. What is that? What is that?
Minus X square.
Minus x square. Minus x into 1. What is that?
Minus X.
Minus x. Now you have to subtract. So change the sign of all three in the second line. This is negative, will become positive here. This will be positive. This will also be positive. Now minus x cube and plus x cube cancels. First term always cancels. 0x square plus x square. How much is it? How much is it?
It is plus X square.
Oh, it seems it is very difficult for you. Thinking too much on it. And again, it is a case you are not attentive. I see regularly you are not attentive in the class. Plus x square. 0x plus x is what?
Sir, plus X.
And then plus 1 comes from the top. This is our new dividend. And this is already a standard. So again, we see degree is 2 of the remainder. degree of the divisor is also 2, means they have the same degree, means we can continue division. If we can continue division, we will follow the same step again. First term x square divided by first term x square. What is that? X square divided by x
X
square.
power 4.
Sir, 1.
Wow, you are very intelligent, David. You divide x square by x square and it becomes 4. X power 2 minus 2 becomes x power 4. Wow. You are so intelligent. Where did you learn this?
So that was an accident.
Accident. Are you
Yes, sir.
David or are you accident?
David, sir.
Why David does so many accidents? So 1 goes to the quotient plus 1. And now plus 1 will be multiplied with all 3 to write here. Okay, what is 1 times x square?
X square.
Sir, it is x square.
1 will be multiplied with each of these to be the same, because 1 doesn't make difference on multiplication. So x square plus x plus 1 will be as it is here, without any change. Now we have to subtract, so change the sign. First one becomes negative, this also negative, this also negative. And notice all 3 are getting cancelled. Plus x square minus x square, plus x minus x, plus 1 minus 1. All 3 cancelled, and finally remainder is 0. So division is now complete, and the answer, so let's write answer here. Quotient is x square minus x plus 1. And the remainder is 0. What is the meaning of remainder being 0?
Division is
Sir,
completed.
it is
What is the meaning?
Sir, it is a multiple of the divisor.
Yes. Dividend is the multiple of divisor, or you can say divisor is a factor of the dividend. Correct?
Yes.
Now the fourth question here. None of you did it. Anurag, you also did not submit. This was
Sir,
your
I will
homework.
try, sir.
Sir, I have completed.
I have done it. What do you mean by I have done it? You did not submit. Why should I believe you? You have done it, but you did not submit. I don't believe you have done it. Just a moment. Okay, let's look at the next one
Sir, you
here.
should check.
What?
Sir, I have sent all of them.
But why did you send it so late?
No, sir, I sent them tomorrow. Yesterday only.
And David, did you do it?
No,
Did you
sir.
send it?
I will do now on sir.
I will do. You have not done it, right?
No, sir. I didn't have time.
Okay. So I'm leaving it then. Correct? I'm
Yes,
leaving
sir.
it. Let's move on to the next. So your exercise is now 8.5 as well. 8.5 will be your homework. Try to finish it. 8.5 and then 8.6 both. So this chapter is over. Division of polynomials is over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are moving towards the next chapter. Give me some moment.
Sir, I'm coming in 1 minute.
Okay. Linear equation in one variable. Now we are moving towards linear equation in one variable, and if you remember, when you were in grade 7, class 7, you did some questions on linear equation in one variable there too, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not for the first time. You have done this type of questions earlier also. So let's consider it just a revision. Next topic is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. And the first question you have to solve 9 and 1 by 4 equals y minus 1 and 1 by 3. Tell me, how will you do it? Tell me.
First, I will convert to improper fraction, sir.
Okay. What after that?
And I will take y to the other side, sir. It will become plus y.
Okay. So do one thing. Take 2 minutes time and submit it. Take
Okay,
2
sir.
minutes time. Do it on paper quickly and submit.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm back.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Submit your work. Are you done? Send it quickly.
Sir, under 9
Okay,
centimeters.
sir. I'm also sending, sir.
Sir, I have sent.
One second.
You did not send, David? Okay. See here now.
I sent, sir.
We see y is already positive on the right side, and if we take 1 and 1 by 3 to the left side, this will be okay, because that is negative on the right side. 1 and 1 by 3 is negative. If we take it to the left, it will become positive here on the right side, on the left side, and on the right side we will have only y. That is a favorable situation. Let's do that. 9 and 1 by 4. 1 and 1 by 3 comes here on the left. It's positive now. 1 and 1 by 3. That is equal to y. Is this okay?
Yes.
Now if we add these two numbers on the left side, that will be equal to y. That will be the value of y. Now I see, Anurag, how have you added it? You have first changed them into improper fraction, and you also did it, and then you add it. See, it takes much time. Don't do that. Adding mixed fractions is not the correct way. Like this. Do it like this. Add their whole number portions together. Whole number 9 and whole number 1 makes whole number 10. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And you
Yes.
should understand that if it is 9 and 1 by 4, that means 9 plus 1 by 4. Do you understand that?
Sir.
If
Yes.
you
Yes, sir.
don't understand, you should now understand and remember. 9 and 1 by 4, this mixed fraction is still same as 9 plus 1 by 4. That's the same thing. Similarly, 1 and 1 by 3 means 1 plus 1 by 3. So if you want to add these two, don't change it into improper. Instead, add their whole number portions, make it 10, and then add these two fractions, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. And I have taught you how to add two fractions in shortcut. What is that? Instead taking LCM, if you directly multiply, I taught you multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12 in denominator. Now 3 times 1 is 3 in the numerator, and 4 times 1 is 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. It's 7 by 12. Means 10 and 7 by 12. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is equal to y. What are you doing, Anurag? Where are you?
I'm in the class.
Where are you?
Sir, I'm
I
here.
see you are involved in something else. Be attentive in the class. I have warned you many a times. We got the y value. y is equal to 10 and 7 by 12. That is the answer. Now let's move to the next. Solve 5x by 3 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1. Solve it. Take 2 minutes and submit your work.
I'm sending, sir.
Sir, I'm not.
I sent, sir.
Anurag, you did not send. Okay, so we see the variable is available only in the one term, first term, not in the second. Second term is purely constant. So let us take it to the right side. It will become negative there. We have 5x by 3 on the left. On the right side, 1 is already there. 2 by 5 now comes being negative. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, subtracting. How quickly you can subtract this? If it is 1 minus 2 by 5, first one is a whole number. So whole number minus a fraction, right? This is a whole number minus fraction. So how quickly you can subtract? It's like this. 5 times 1. Multiply. 5 times 1 is 5 and then minus. So 5 minus 2. Subtract. It's 3 by 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it
5
should
1
be
is 5
minus 3 by
and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 by 5. It is 5x by 3, that equals 3 by 5. Any confusion? Anurag, do you have any confusion? Okay, now see, we need to find multiply, and 5 is here in the numerator, it will go to the denominator. Does this make sense?
Yes, sir.
So it is 9 by 25, and that's the answer. Next question. Ready for the next?
Yes, sir.
Solve. X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2 into x plus 3, then a plus sign, then x minus 3 into x minus 2, minus sign, 2x into x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Do you think you can solve it?
I will try, sir, first.
Do you think you can solve it?
I will try to solve, sir, first.
What are you saying?
Sir, I think I can solve it.
I also can solve, sir.
So submit your response in 2 minutes. No matter complete or incomplete, whatever you do,
Okay, sir.
submit in 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm sending. Sir, I have sent.
I also, sir.
Okay, you got x equals minus 2. You said I also, sir. Where is your answer? 6. Okay. Well, so we have to multiply these two brackets. I have taught you how to multiply such binomials where the first terms are same, x and x. Remember, x plus a into x plus b. If you multiply them, you get x square plus second terms should be added together, a and b, with x multiplied, and then at last you multiply the second terms a and b. So here x into x square, then you add up the second terms a and b. 2 plus 3 is 5, then x is multiplied, so it is 5x. And then at last it is the product of second terms a and b. 2 into 3 is 6. So this is the product of these two, and then the product of these two. First terms are same, so x square, and then second terms should be added together like this. Minus 3 minus 2. How much is it? Minus 5. And x will be multiplied. So minus 5x. Then at last you multiply the two terms. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Done. At last it is 2x minus 2x into x. So minus 2x square. Minus 2x into 1 minus 2x, and that is equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
see,
sir.
David, how poorly you have multiplied. You have used distributive property to multiply in more details. You did not use that identity. Anurag, you have used that identity, so very good. Okay, now what we see here, if we if we combine the like terms, x square and x square, they are positive, so they added together to become 2x square, right? X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x square, and then minus 2x square comes, so all three together cancelled. 2x square minus 2x square cancelled. Now plus 5x minus 5x cancelled. What do we have then? 6 plus 6, 12, and then minus 2x. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us do one thing. Minus 2x, negative term, variable term. Let us take it to the right side. It will become plus 2x there. So 12 on the left side, 2x on the right side. Now if you want to find x, you will take 2 here in the bottom. So x on one side and 12 by 2 on the other side, which is finally 6. So x value is 6. 6 is the answer. Anurag, you made mistake finding the final answer, but David, your answer is correct. You have got 6. Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let us do the next one. Solve. 2 by 3 into x minus 5 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Give it a try. Submit your response within 2 minutes. Complete or incomplete, whatever. It should be submitted within 2 minutes.
I am
It's
sending, sir.
more than 2 minutes. Why are you sending it now? So what to do first? What is the idea to do first? What will the first thing be done?
So we will multiply the fraction with the
Multiply fraction with what?
with the
With?
with the bracket.
No, I will not multiply with the bracket. I will take LCM of all the denominators. 3, 4, 2. What is the LCM of 3, 4, 2? What is the LCM of 3, 4, 2?
So
12.
12. So now I'll multiply both sides with 12. Multiply both sides by 12. First term is 2 by 3 into x minus 5. Second term is 1 by 4 into x minus 2. And on the right side, we have another term 9 by 2. I'm planning to multiply 12 both sides. What is the meaning? Meaning is that I will multiply 12 in the first term, in the second term, in the third term. All the terms. How so? Like this. 12 multiplied with the first term, 12 multiplied with the second term, 12 multiplied with the third term. Now simplify. See, 12 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So 3 cancels it in 4 times. Now come to the second term. 12 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. 4 cancels 12 in 3 times. And here 2 in the denominator, which cancels 12 in 6 times. Right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So now denominator is vanished. There is no denominator. Check it. Nothing is in the denominator. Denominator gone. And this is the advantage of multiplying with LCM. If you multiply both sides with LCM, you will get rid of denominators. So now what? 4 2 ja 8. 8 into x minus 5. Then put a minus sign. 3 into 1, 3 into x minus 2. On the right side, 6 into 9, 54. See how simple equation we got without any denominator. Isn't that simple?
Yes, sir.
So let us use distributive property to multiply and open the brackets.
Sir, I will
First
come in
bracket,
1 minute.
first bracket will be opened simply with no change of sign because it's positive outside. 8 into x, 8x. 8 into minus 5, minus 40. But in the second bracket, we have minus sign outside. So make sure, be careful about the minus sign. Don't make a mistake here. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Minus 3 into minus 2 is minus minus plus 3 times 2, 6. On the right side, it's 54. Now combine the like terms together. If you combine the like terms together, 8x minus 3x is 5x. Minus 40 plus 6 is how much? Minus 40 plus 6 is minus 34. Correct?
Yes, sir.
On the right side, it's 54. Now take minus 34 to the other side. 5x is equal to 54 is already on the right side, so plus 34 will come here. So what is the sum? 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 88. So what is then x? X is equal to 88 divided by 5, correct? You can change it into mixed fraction or you can keep it as it is. It's done. Any questions?
I will come in 1 minute, sir.
Okay, come fast.
Yes.
Now our maths class ends here. Let us have a break and then join for science class.
Okay, sir.